Hey, what's up you guys? So I'm coming at you guys with another video today. The reason why I look crazy is because we just got done with bid day and I did have a full face of makeup on. Had my hair, you know, looking good, looking cute, as you guys can tell by these pictures. Yeah. But I got home and I was super tired, but I'm still filming this video because I keep getting these questions, which is, what are the cons to keto that I've seen? How do I stay consistent? And I'm going to be answering those two. So the very first one is, have I seen any cons to keto? Like, I have been tested for like a bunch of different stuff just to make sure that my diet is healthy. And so far, I'm literally the healthiest I've ever been. My doctor literally told me, like, continue what you're doing. Do your research, definitely. I'm obviously 20 years old. I started when I was 19. I'm relatively healthy. For the most part, the only thing being that I need to lose weight. So I have not seen any side effects, anything bad. But one thing, as you guys can tell, my face has really bad acne. Now I know this is probably not like super bad, but I had clear skin growing up. Literally, I always had clear skin, and maybe I would get a zit every once in a while, but nothing compared to this. But it's really painful and it's annoying. I have eczema and I have oily skin, and it's just like a lot going on in my face now, and I'm pretty sure it's because of keto. I've always had eczema, and so that I'm not surprised about, but acne I never had. So what did I do? I went to my dermatologist and I spoke to him about it, and I told him about my diet and I told him about everything I've been doing. So hopefully in a couple months time he'll help me clear out my skin, because to go from clear skin to this is pretty ridiculous, if I say so. Now, I've looked online to see if other people have gotten acne on keto, and nothing. I posted a TikTok about this, and one person did comment that they did notice an increase of acne in keto, and they're going to try like apple cider vinegar and water. Now, I personally have not heard of anybody else. That was literally the first time I had ever heard of somebody else getting acne on keto, so I was just like, nice, I'm not the only one. But I did try the whole water intake, and I literally, nothing. It didn't help me. In fact, I felt worse. I think I was doing like 88 ounces of water, and yeah, I felt worse because of that. But yeah, so that didn't work for me, but now I'm going to a dermatologist, and hopefully he'll help me with all my skin problems, because like I said, I do have dry skin, I have oily skin, and now I have acne, which sucks, but it is what it is. And it's painful and it's annoying, so I really want to get this taken care of. So hopefully soon I'll have clear skin. And so once getting that out of the way, those are the only cons I've seen. Obviously, do your research on this diet. Maybe if you already have previous conditions, this will affect you differently. The other question I get is, how do I stay consistent? Now, there's two ways to this. How do I stay consistent going to the gym? How do I stay consistent in the way that I eat? I am able to say no. I had bid day today, for example, and I was able to say no to all the cookies, to all the donuts, to the pizza, to every single thing. I was able to say no and just be like, you know what, like, no, I cannot cheat on my diet. The reason why I was able to do this is because I have a goal. I'm going to San Antonio in spring break, and I want to lose more weight before I get there, because I'm going to be going to the beach, so I want to look top 10, right? But before, last bid day and during fall, I was still doing keto, and I broke it literally bid day. Like literally this time, like last semester, I broke it. And that just kind of goes to show you that sometimes you do have the willpower to say no, and sometimes you just cave and you say yes. My like point to that is, like, sometimes you just do have to allow yourself cheat days. Sometimes you just have to accept that, you know what, maybe you just weren't the best that day. One thing that I've also done is that I have planned cheat days. So for example, like I said, I am going to spring break. I am going to San Antonio during spring break. Obviously, I'm not going to be following keto. I already know that. I plan to not follow keto. So that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I am not going to do keto. I'm going to eat whatever my heart desires. Whatever I want, whatever I'm craving that day, I'm going to have. Like, whether it has carbs or not, I'm going to have it. And that has motivated me to be like, you know what? Everything that I want to have today, I can schedule to eat it then. I already know what that food tastes like. I already know what donuts taste like. I already know what cookies taste like. I already know what pizza tastes like. Like, I don't need it. I really don't. So that's another thing that really helps me stay consistent. Another thing that really helps me stay consistent is having something like this. This is like a planner. This is a food meal planner. Yeah, for example, like last Monday we had wings. Wait, is that Monday? Last Friday we had wings, and then Saturday, so on and so forth. And for example, yesterday we had keto pizza. There's some stuff in here that sounds like it's not keto, but when we make it, it is keto. We just title it differently. So for example, chicken Alfredo. Chicken Alfredo for us means chicken, homemade Alfredo sauce, keto-fied, and then zucchini noodles. Of course, that all fit within your macros, and so on and so forth. Pizza here. Obviously, this does not mean like Little Caesars pizza. It means like a low-carb tortilla and some Rao's homemade sauce, homemade tomato sauce with some mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni slices. That's our homemade pizza. If you guys want to see some recipes and stuff and just, I guess, like what I eat in a day, I'll definitely do that. But having this and just not sitting at home and just being like, well, what can I eat? Well, I can have that, because I used to do that a lot. I used to just like wonder, well, what can I eat? There's nothing to eat here. Like, I already know. We already shopped to accommodate this list. I already know that what I need to eat at home is here. And if I choose to eat out or break it, I literally have no excuse, because it's like, yeah, it's Friday, you should have had homemade pizza. Or today, for example, Saturday, we're having chicken soup. So there's no excuse. There is no excuse. You already bought these groceries. You already have this at home. You already know exactly when you should be eating it. There's truly no excuse for that. And honestly, sometimes you just have to hold yourself accountable. You just really have to hold yourself accountable and just say no. For example, like today I said no, and one of my sisters was like, wow, like you're really good. Like literally they offered us cotton candy, and I was like, I'm good, thank you. And was I tempted? Hell yeah, I was tempted. There was, are you kidding me? Like free ice cream, free donuts. Guys, my favorite donuts in the world are literally like the powdered jelly donuts. Literally from anywhere. I do not care if it has a jelly or if it has like a strawberry jelly or like raspberry jelly. I lose it. If it's powdered, I lose it. Those are literally my favorite donuts, and they had those. They had donut holes too, literally the same way, and I had to say no because I have a goal that I want to meet by this time in March. So you just have to hold yourself accountable sometimes and just like force yourself to have that willpower. Obviously, like I said, there's moments in time where I have not been able to have that willpower. Like I mentioned before, last bid day, I just caved. It's a give and a take. Now let's go on to the fitness side of it. How do I say committed to being fit? To me, that's so weird that people think that I'm committed to going to the gym. My friends even call me a gym rat sometimes. And that's so weird because I've never been that. I still don't feel like I am that. I just do not consider it like, I don't even consider it anything. I'm just like, it is what it is, you know, like I go to the gym. And I think for the most part for me, staying committed to the gym is coming up with like a plan that I have to do. So when I first started going to the gym, I kind of went in like not really knowing what to do, not knowing what I wanted to work on. And then I realized like, you know what, I should make a schedule. I should make a schedule of like what I want to work out on what day. So I would go to the gym, I would do 40-60 minutes of cardio, and then I would hit the machines for a specific target area. So this is my I guess you could say schedule to work out. I know for a fact Mondays are legs, so I'll just use that as an example because leg days are my favorite days. I absolutely love legs. The reason why I love legs is because legs are literally my strongest part of my body. But for example, on leg days, I'll go in and I'll do 40 minutes, like I said, of cardio, or 60 minutes if I feel like it, which is super rare because then that means like doing them on the stairs, and I hate the stairs. I do not like doing the stairs. I'll hit the hip abductors, I'll do leg extensions, I'll do leg stretches. Once I'm done, like I'll do a bunch of machines. I'll put in some pictures here of like examples of machines that I do and how much like I do in each weight and how many I do of each. Now, I know for a lot of people it's like, well, how do you go? How do you keep yourself from going? Guys, there's literally days where I just do not go. Like I have not gone right now, as of now, I have not gone in like maybe 2 weeks because I hurt my ankle. And I cannot be bothered to like walk around for a little bit. Like, no, I just can't do it. So there's obviously moments in time where I do fall off the horse, but I know I want to get back on it. And I think the reason why I was able to stay so consistent in the beginning was because Like I said before in my other video, I was super depressed and I literally had nothing else to do. And that for me was just like a distraction. And the process of getting ready to go to the gym even was so much fun. Is so much fun for me now. I'll turn on new music, I'll walk around, and I'll put on my favorite pair of leggings, and I'll put on my workout shirts, and I'm ready to go. One other thing I do recommend is, like, let's say for example you have a Saturday and you're like, oh, I should go to the gym today, but you have a bunch of other errands to run. What I recommend is get up, do your morning routine, like whatever that looks like for you, and change into gym clothes. For example, like there's Saturdays where I know I'm gonna run errands, but I need to hit the gym. So I just change into my gym clothes, and it's like I've already got my gym clothes on at 9 a.m. I am already ready to go to the gym. If I choose to not go to the gym, who's that on? It's on me. And really truly figure out what works for you. I don't really like telling people what to do at the gym, just because I think everybody's gym sessions look different. For example, I cannot work out with people. I cannot. Like, people always ask me now, especially now that I've like lost weight, they're like, oh my god, we need to hit the gym together, you need to show me what to do. And it's for that reason. It's because if I take someone, my focus is not going to be on my workout 100%. But that's just me. There's people like my aunt who love to work out with people, that the only way they can focus is by working out with other people. I don't know how she does it. I cannot do that. That's just not me. So I definitely recommend trying a couple things, just trying to see what works for you. And that will help you be 100% more committed, because you're enjoying what you're doing and it's literally the best thing for you, because you took the time, you carved out certain things, certain pieces, you made a plan, you have goals just for you. So my recommendations are, do not beat yourself up. If you ever have a cheat day, just accept it and move on. My second recommendation is to maybe schedule cheat days so you can have something to look forward to. And then doing the meal planner. Fitness goals wise, carve some time out and just figure out what works for you. So those are my recommendations, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like this video and subscribe, and I guess follow my TikTok now, because I guess my TikTok and my YouTube are like linked now. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys want to see like a what I eat in a day or anything else, come work out with me, please let me know, because I do not know what you guys want. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see more videos, comment down below what you want to see, and tell me what you want to see on TikTok too, because those are super fast, super quick, super easy. So I'm really down to make those. So yeah, go follow me on everything, and tell me what you want to see. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. So bye.